Guys, DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how you find these winning plays and get in early, okay? And you got 1 hour free one-on-one training and instant support. And check out these testimonials. I mean, there's hundreds and hundreds of these. Guys are making a ton of money using the software. Okay, one of our guys, Willie Mon, came up with a very interesting strategy. And what he does is he's looking for um, he looks for a high factor on a stock. Like here, this is BXRX. And like here you got the 68 factor. Then he adds it to his watch list and he starts looking at it. And he's waiting for a 200-day low. Okay? And then when that happens, he waits 3 days to make sure that this truly is a 200-day low. He puts in a buy and gets shares. Here he got in at 53 cents. And immediately afterwards, he puts in a GTC, good till canceled, sell. Now he's doing them at 2.5 times his entry. You probably don't have to go that high, but in this case, it worked out very well. So then, BXR, it has this huge day here. And the high is actually 143, so his GTC sell at 133 executed, okay, and he's out. I mean, he could be fishing while this happens. And so here's the math. He lays out the math here. A $10,000 investment at 53 a share is 18,000 shares. And then he immediately puts in the GTC sell at $1.33. All right. So then when he exits, he's got 18 at 133, 25 grand gross value. Minus 10,000 is 15,000 net profit. Okay. Minus your 30% capital gains is actually 10,000. Okay. And he recommends you make this payments to the IRS immediately just to cover your ass and get it off your books, so you're not tempted to spend it or gamble it. Anyway, this is a very interesting strategy, and it seems to be working well for him. So I'm going to start looking at this and checking it out. And like this, just one more example of the power of DDAmanda and what you can do, how you can make money using her. Anyway, very interesting, and now I thought of a shortcut for this strategy, and that is to scan for 200-day lows, okay? If you scan for 200-day lows and they're confirmed, okay, then you can go back and see if there was a high factor before that, okay? And then if there was, then you buy, okay? And that takes out this whole step where you have to add it to a watch list and watch it, okay? You can just scan for 200-day lows, check them out, see if they had a high factor, and then if it does confirm to be a 200-day low, then you buy, and you skip this other step. Okay, that's it on that. Very interesting strategy. I love it. I'm going to start using it and checking it out. Okay, bye. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Here's just a few examples of stocks that DDAmanda found. Here you got a 5-factor scan alert. Next day she's up 59%. Now all this is on the right side here is just 200 days worth of trading data. You have your date, your dollars traded, the price it closed at, this factor that's proprietary to the program. This is how we find these. The volume, the low of the day, high of the day open, and then percentage up or percentage down. LVGI, 200-day low scan alert, and look at this drag ratio maxed out, up 50% and then 75%. IGEX, 200-day low scan alert, 7-factor, next day up 47%. Again, another 200-day low scan alert, up the next day 106%. These are easy to find with our scanner. So if you want to make money trading stocks, DDAmanda is your answer.